This is a review of electric drum set for the kids. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside the box. Fesley to lead a new cool. Here is the user manual. And these are the boxes. Snare and tom. And drum stool, drum module, drum pad, drum stool, cymbal, pedal and kick, accessories. Here is the drum stand. These are the package contents. And it talks about the overview and drum stand installation. I'm gonna go ahead and install it one by one, but before I install it, I'm just gonna show it to you. That's it. Let's go ahead and open the boxes one by one. We are opening them one by one.
Leyla sandalye. Ooh, drumstick. Ooh, chair. What's inside? It was so hard.
They are very excited.
Ooh, drumstick.
Drum module. And drum pad. And drum stool. Open it. Here is the chair. Some of the accessories. Oh, headphones. Okay. The cables on the headphones. There is turn it on and off, and play button and pause. SD card plays, and micro USB, and headphone jack, and next button, and the previous button. And go ahead and show it. Drumsticks. These are the drumsticks. Here are the drum stand. Here is another one. Ooh. And this is the other part. Here is the other drum pad. Cymbal. And the last box is here, pedal and the kick. Let's go ahead and install it.
Really?
We're done with the installation. Let's go ahead and play it. And test the song and play. Either you can use these headphones or you can use aux cable. Here is the speaker. This is the speaker. 1 second. Here is the speaker. You can just connect it with the aux cable and you can get the sound. Go ahead. There are some features, you can change it here, for example. And you can also change this. Here is the volume, you can change it. And here is song. Play. You can change the songs from here. There are 10 songs. Let's pause. Let's turn the volume up. Ladies. All right. Yeah. Here is the chair you can use. If you want, you can use another chair, but this is preferable. I can suggest this product. It's because, as you see, it is very realistic and you can change the rhythm and the sound, and even you can record it. There are so many tempos and you can change the volume and you can change the songs and you can do so many things. Everything is so realistic. That's why I can suggest this. show you from this perspective. I can definitely suggest you to use auxiliary with the speaker. You don't have to use headphones. If you want to use headphones, this is also a great option.